Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily export JSON data from Trello. So all you have to do is just first log into your Trello account, then open the board that you want to export. You're going to need to get the board's unique ID via getting the URL. Trello URL should look like this. Just copy the board underscore ID part from the URL. Now simply just add .json to the end of your board's URL just like this. Then just press enter and your browser will display the full board data in JSON format. Just right-click anywhere on the JSON page, then choose Save As or Save Page As, and make sure the file type is set to .json and save it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!